Welcome to week 16, assignment 2. This is your vocabulary for this week. So, to the first thing, this is the video you're watching. Then if you go here to the study guide and you click on it, it gives you a link. If you highlight it, and then if you right click right on top of it, you should be able to say go to. If not, you can copy and paste it. You're going to play this game. If it comes up and it says something about Flash, just go ahead and say enable. And remember to look up here because sometimes you get a notification up here that will for you to turn it on and off. And then what you're going to do is it's a matching game, so you would just find the definition, or you can find the word and then find the definition, and then you can just click on it. It will tell you if it is right or if it is wrong. So wrong has the X, right is this. You need to play this several times because there are many words. If you click here, you will see all of the words. It is all words that we have done before. Your quiz itself is only going to be 15 of these words. Okay, but I wanted you to be able to practice them and go from there. So once you have completed studying, if you go back, you can go to assignment 2 and then go to the quiz and take the quiz. You may take the quiz only one time. If you have any problems or questions, let me know. And if not, I hope to see you soon.